we are here in this San Chnong area, and we have come to see some of the different tourist locations that are here that are truly really beautiful. And the Honorable Minister for Revenue and Social Welfare has made this program and has been pressing for development of this area in terms of tourism. And so we had made a program earlier in the month of February, March to come here, but because of COVID we were not able to complete the program that time. So we got an opportunity today to come here because we were in Rambai to lay the foundation stone for the secondary school there, and after that we decided to come here. So I got this opportunity, and it's really great and really beautiful, and I strongly feel that the entire circuit out here could be developed to really upgrade the experience of the tourist from within the state and also from outside the state. So it was a visit where we've come mainly to look at the site and see what the potential is and see how we could move forward. Definitely we will be including this circuit and certain locations in this area in the NDB project, the external native projects that we have got for tourism. So the development of this area will also be part of that particular project. So that was the purpose of my visit here today. No, this is not like something that we got. It's a externally aided project. So the state government has to prepare projects for a specific sector. Road connectivity project for integrated transport project was one of the EAPs we got from the World Bank. Then we had received the Megalam project. Then we received a different project for for the NDB, from the NDB for tourism. So there are different EAPs that we have. This particular EAP, an externally aided project, was for development of tourism sector in the state. There will be different projects. So when we say tourism, it doesn't necessarily only mean a particular location to be developed or in terms of a viewpoint to be developed. Anything to be integrated towards the development of tourism can be part of the sector. It's quite flexible. So road connectivity also is part of that, to that particular location, of course, or road connect, or in fact different infrastructural developments that could enhance tourism indirectly are also part of those projects. So anything that will lead to overall development of tourism can be included and will be included in this project.